We do not know this song at all.
It's the...
We the King by Secret Valentine.
It's Secret Valentine by We the
Oh!
Kings.
Secret Valentine by We the Kings.
And we don't know it, and if we do, well then, we're gonna mumble it or do something.
Cause
We suck at singing, but it's okay.
this is the last video that we made. We were hilarious, but you won't get to see it because...
Well, maybe. We don't know yet. Depending how bad it is.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's pretty bad.
Here we go! Wish us luck.
No, you don't.
I'm in the screen, retard. You're not in the screen.
Oh, wait.
Not up on top of me. Right there. Here we go. Wish us luck. Don't look under us.
Yes, you will.
Subscribe. Comment.
No, don't do that.
Add as friends.
Yes, do that.
Comment. Comment's cool. Okay.
Don't
Here we
forget.
go. Here we go. So pretty fucking cool. This girl's not how to spell. Whew. Look at this. Don't, your, Tim, your, Raven, your, y'all, nut, This song sucks. Okay, so that was a good intro. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna get started on a different song that I just saw. That I don't know if I know or not. If you don't like it, get over it. Okay.
Bye.
Wait, we're gonna stop again.
Oh.
We're gonna try another song. We'll try another song. You just call it something. Is what we aim for by Rescued.
This is what we aim for.
I know this song. I think. I don't know. Look,
No,
open
I
up.
know the song.
Birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder and a phone to the other and I can't get a hold of her. What's a crush to do?
What's a crush to do when you can't get through?
I did too. Got another song.
We're gonna start over because we're students. Okay, here we go.
I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder and a phone to the other and I can't get a hold of her. What's a crush to do? What's a crush to do when you can't get through? Medical in your adorable. From what I hear, you're quite affordable. But I like them pricey, so exaggerate you trick me. Pretty please, just trick me. Pretty please. I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder, and a phone to the other, and I can't get a hold of her. What's a crush to do? What's a crush to do? I got birds in my ears and a devil on my shoulder and a phone to the other and I can't get a hold of her. What's a crush to do? What's a crush to do when you can't get stress, mess, I can't think of things to write down, to type down. These things that you're moving faster than these lips. So you can only imagine how just my mouth is.
You know what we should do?
What?
I can't stand it.
Not in the video, good. Get your ass in the video.
I like it ballet man over here halfway.
Okay, so that song's stupid too. So we're gonna stop this and we're gonna do another one because we're cool and your face doesn't look good. And my eyes look small. Get over it. Okay. So your face looks small now.
You look a middle person. That's what I aim for.
Bye. I know, it sounds
I like my
crazy.
fingernails. Do you like my fingernails? I like my fingernails. I got them
Mirror
done.
shake that, mirror shake, you're like, bye. Oh my god, this, you know the cheerleader, cowboy cheerleader that like can't walk straight and she looks mental? Well, like these two chicks were like making fun of her, but the chick was actually making fun of herself because she couldn't dance. It's pretty bad.
It was really funny. You gotta go watch that video. I will tell you what it is in the next video because I do not know. So yeah.
But it was mean because they were making fun of her.
But it was funny because you couldn't dance. And she's all like acting like a guitar. You're like, but it was really
She
funny.
was being not hurt. Okay, so we're
Her makeup's really bad. She looked like a man.
Yeah, she's pretty weird. She had boobs though, but so guys, check that out.
Bye.
Okay, so we're gonna stop this and we're gonna do another one, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so bye. 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 Bye.